A parent deserves a precise, concrete and rational feedback from his child's educator. Teacher should show a great respect for parent in the parent-teacher meeting. This is the best platform for developing a strong relationship with parent for the welfare of child's education. Parent is a partner. Active participation of a parent brings massive change in kids' academic performance. His nature of nurturing being natural and holistic change in kids' personality. It is necessary to share responsibility and accountability for the holistic development of a child. Parent is directly responsible for child's progress at home and school. In fact, it is necessary to develop a strong bridge between parent and educator. Wise parents never leave space for developing negative outcomes. Each and every moment of child determines his or her future. Teacher talks with parents politely. Teacher uses appropriate words for the students. We can organize a successful parent-teacher meeting if we follow certain norms to show regards for the parents. Wish every parent and offer a seat. Wise teacher takes initiation to develop a rapport with the parents. He or she wishes good morning, good afternoon with a welcoming smile on the face. The positive initiative develop a healthy relationship with parents and class teacher or any subject teacher. Teacher offers a seat for sitting comfortably. Please keep attendance register with you. Students' regular presence in the classroom makes a big difference in the progress of learning. Teacher share students' presence and absence in the class to the respective parents. Next, please keep students' monitoring profile with you. Teacher prepares a report of each and every student of the respective class. He or she write all minute observations in the report. When a teacher shares his or her details, observations with parents, parents feel a sense of security that his child is in the safe hands. School does proper monitoring of his child. Teachers uses appropriate words and sentences to express the negative and positive aspects of a child. Teacher shows utmost care to do this. Next, please keep class teacher's checklist with you. Teacher uses different checklists to do proper monitoring of a child. For example, health, hygiene, notebook, correction, submission checklist, class tests record, special achievements, behavioral reports to share with parents. Proper observation gives right picture of progress of a child. Next, talk to parents based on data and actual observation. Wise teacher shares actual data, actual observation of a child. When we talk on actual data, it gives a sense of relief for parents, because parents know what kind of their kids are. Teacher shares physical as well as mental development of child with parents. Next, please collect students' information for holistic development of a child. Teacher collects information so that he or she can work out in the classroom and on the school premises. He or she shares parents' feedback with other teachers. A wise class teacher finds out several informations like: first, kids' nature at home. For example, he or she is aggressive, dull, responsive, caring, or not. Second, kids' behavior at home. For example, towards study or towards family members. Next, kids' etiquettes at home. Kids' attitude, mindset at home. Kids' social surroundings or social engagement. Kids' nature of learning, study habit. Kids' academic interest. Kids' learning capacity or capability. Kids' weakness and strength. Talk politely with parents. Teacher is known for polite behavior. We should show courteous behavior with parents. It may be possible that he or she is not happy with you, other teacher, and some teaching problems. But our attitude should be positive. Teacher should be decent and courageous during meeting with parent. If you say that a child is weak, then identify the actual area. For example, does not speak in the class, weak in handwriting, weak in reading a text. When we identify a real problem, we find out solution for the identified problems for the welfare of a child. Next, write parent suggestion and queries. It is wonderful habit to pen down suggestions and complaints of a parent on a diary or on a suggestion list. It satisfies parents' ego. It is very convincing activity. Parent thinks that his suggestion and complaint have been noticed by the teacher, and the teacher will share my problems with higher authorities. If a teacher only hears the problem shared by a parent, it gives a negative impact that teacher may forget and his voice may be unnoticed from higher authority of the school. So please do write the suggestions and problems of a parent and takes these feedback to your higher authorities in the school. Next, talk about health issues with parent. Encourage parent to discuss mental and physical problem of a child so that school can help child at the time of need. Health issue problems can be handled properly if a child falls sick in the school. Next, please collect students' information. For example, working mobile numbers of parents. It is very important to have a working number of any parent so that we can contact him or her at any time. Second, students' interest, students' skills, students' overall behavior. Next, ask and help parents to fill the feedback form. Last but most important, no argument at all with parents. We all are educators, we are professional, we are skilled teachers. We must avoid clash with parents. We are listener, We must hear him, his problems, and complaints may be appear illogical, harsh, irrational at first instance, but it may also be beneficial for so many students. When a parent sends his or her son or daughter to our school, she or he is sending a life to us. Our prime concern is to provide a homely environment and a joyful learning experience to each and everyone enrolled in our class, in our school. To err is human, therefore it may be possible that consciously and unconsciously we may commit mistakes. However, a mild reminder from parents make us alive, awake and alert teachers. So I hope these points will help you in your parent teacher meeting. Keep these points always in your mind. Thank you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.